Hey guys, welcome back. So let's get started and add the next section on the list. So I'm happy to say that we actually made it through the entire first page of sections that come with the Power theme. Now let's click the Load More button and see what else we have. So as you can see, the Power theme really does come with a large amount of different sections, and we're about halfway through the list at this point. So I hope you're enjoying everything so far, and I hope you find the sections that we just went through are going to be super useful for you in your store. So now we're on section I, which is value offers, and these are probably less relevant for the homepage actually. I mean, I guess you could still use these for the homepage as well, but these were more built for use on custom landing pages, which we will go over later. But these are essentially value offer recaps. So these work really well at the bottom of sales pages, and they serve as kind of like a recap for everything that you offer within your package. So typically you would add maybe a bunch of different line items here. So free shipping could be one, and then maybe you offer 2 of product X, 1 of product Y, 1 free ebook, and then free shipping on everything or something like that. So that's what you would do here. Then we also have a total value and then a yours today for only blank, followed by this sort of artistic underline just to sort of emphasize the great offer that you're offering your customers. So let's go through all these settings. This is the icon code from Font Awesome. Again, quickly, if you go to Font Awesome, you'll find the icon code here. This is the title text for each one, and this is the description text. And here's where you change the icon color. So we set it up so you can actually assign a different icon color for each icon you add. But the color for the subheader and secondary text, you can see are set here. So these are more consistent colors. So the subheader is actually this guy, the offer primary text. If we change it quickly, you'll see that it is the free shipping here. And then the offer secondary text is this text here. And also this text here actually. And then this color matches with this color and this color. So it's it kind of flows the way it's set up. Obviously these colors look a little bit funny, but if we change them back to the way they were default, so I believe we had this and a grayish color here. So this general color scheme I find looks really sharp, really nice for this section. Lastly, we can also add an image here. So typically you would put maybe like your total offer here. So in this case, it's kind of boring, just a 1 pack of the thermos, but here you might add like 1 thermos plus 1 bag of coffee plus 1 kettle plus 1, I don't know, tea bag. And then each of those items in your offer, you could list them here, which would work really well for this type of section. And then the opacity of the image we can change here. This is where we can either show or hide the subheader as we wish. This is the font size for the subheader, the letter spacing for the subheader, the bullet point text size. So the bullet points are these guys. And then here's a little bit different. So here we have the offer block value. So this $119 is the price that will be inputted here and here. So you can see we actually don't have access to some of the text values here, just the way the section is set up. So what we do have access to is, for example, if we change this, then it will update here and here. And then we do have access to this text right here. So instead of saying yours today for this, you can say get it My keyboard just disconnected for a second for some reason. Get it now so you can change that text there. The font size for this text element you can adjust here, and then the sale price. So that's obviously what's going to show up here. So we'll say $80, and that'll update there. And you can either choose to show or hide this sort of artistic line. I think it depends on the offer or like the style of the landing page. So it looks good with or without it. But if you do decide to add this sort of underline, then we actually do offer a bunch of different styles as well. So style 1, 2, or 3. Definitely not required, but just adds a little bit more emphasis in a kind of a cool artistic way. And on the bottom here, we have top and bottom padding, just like any other section, and animation type as well. So that does it for the value offer section. Again, this is like a pretty cool section that works really well in sales pages, especially if you're offering sort of unique bundle offers. It works quite well to summarize the offer at the bottom of your sales page. So pretty cool stuff. And that's it for this video. I'll see you in the next one.